let us discuss about types of networks in computer networks. There are four types of networks: LAN, MAN, WAN and PAN. LAN means local area network, PAN means personal area network, MAN means metropolitan area network and WAN means wide area network. In PAN, personal area network, the connection is within the range 10 meters, which means the person to person within the room or within single building. We use this PAN. Whenever the LAN is used for the single college building, or we have connected to multiple systems within some geographical area. MAN is used for the metropolitan, means cities, connection over the cities, we use MAN. And WAN is used for the connection over the countries or the large distances, we use WAN. Let us see about the PAN, LAN, MAN, WAN individually. Personal area network, it is a computer network formed around a person. It can be used for the established communication among the personal devices. We can connect through Bluetooth devices, wireless devices, IoT devices. These are come across under the personal area networks within the range of up to 10 meters. Okay, the connectivity range which is very less within the 10 meters, and it is used in very limited area within one room or another room around one apartment. Okay, it is used in handling of the IT device, internet working device, IT devices which are like remote, which having sensor devices which are within the range. Okay, the next, it has both wireless and wired PANs are available, which means wireless personal area network and wired personal area network also available. Examples are Bluetooth, wireless keyboard, wireless mouses and wired mouses, etc. This is the diagrammatic representation for the PAN. Here, one laptop is connected within the Bluetooth using another laptop connected with mobile, laptop connected with wireless keyboard, laptop connected with printer, laptop connected with mouse. This is about the personal area network. The advantages are, it can be used for the short range and it have the high security. Okay, the main disadvantage is it is limited for the area. Okay, very small limited area. Let us see about the local area network. About LAN, local area network. Local area network is a group of computers which are connected within the limited area, which is within the buildings or blocks, is known as the LAN, local area network. In this we have the Ethernet and Wi-Fi. By this data transfer is possible up to range 2 kilometers, and it operated high speed compared to the WAN, compared to the PAN. LAN gives high speed. Okay. Next, it is a private network, so others are not allowed to this network. In this, okay, all are connected so that the hardware devices are only the hardware devices are shared among these networks, will reduce the cost of the hardware devices. Okay, instead of purchasing more than two or more printers, we use one printer which is connected to the all devices. Okay, easily transfer data because every system is connected to each other. By this, the data transfer is easy for one system to another system. It can easily manage the data at one place. We have the command on all the computer systems, and we can store the data of the every system at one place. Okay, this is the diagrammatic representation of the local area network. Here, this is the server which is connected to the all these computers within a manner to data sharing. Okay, once recollect this, it is in the form of the Ethernet or Wi-Fi. The range is up to 2 kilometers, operated high speed, and it is a private network. The hardware devices which are shared among them are less, so by this the hardware is less used among this connection. Next, easily transfer data. It can easily maintain data at one place. Okay, a local area network is a collection of computers and peripheral devices which are connected within the limited area, which means two or more building blocks. Okay, like example college block or any school or any building or any government offices. Let us see about the wide area network. Let's discuss about MAN, Metropolitan Area Network. This is a computer network which computers over a geographical distance through a shared communication path over a city or metropolitan area. In simply, the connection between the computers within a large city or a metropolitan area is known as the metropolitan area networks. The range is above up to 5 to 50 kilometers. It has maintained average speed, not too low and not too speed. It maintains average speed. It is difficult to maintain because in this 5 to 50 kilometers range, if any cables are damaged, their replaceability is very difficulty. So it is difficult to maintain and high cost is also available because 5 to 50 kilometers this range we need to buy these cables, optical fiber cable or any twisted pair cable. These cables cost more and this is mainly used in ATM and FTDDI technologies. Okay, this is the diagrammatic representation of the metropolitan area network. Here, metropolitan area network connected to colleges, schools, government offices, and universities. Okay, MAN means metropolitan area network. Range is up to 5 to 50 kilometers. Average transaction speed. It is used in ATMs and FDDS. High cost and difficult to maintain this. Okay, let us see about the wide area network. Let us see about the WAN, wide area network. It is a computer network that extended over a large geographical area such as like countries, cities, or the connection is established. Okay, it is over the states and the countries. The range is above the more than 50 kilometers connectivity. Okay, there are two types of the WANs, switched WAN and point to point WAN. It is very difficult to construct because that much long distance we can maintain a physical medium like optical fiber cables or twisted pair cables. The distance between one state to other state or one country to another country is more than 1,000 kilometers. This much range we construct over the underground or under the sea. This is very difficult to construct the wide area network and very difficult to maintain. If the cable which is damaged under the sea or which is damaged under the earth, we have very difficult to replace or we can replace. This is very difficult or we can repair or replace. This is very difficult for the wide area network. Okay, the data rate is very slow in wide area network. That is the diagrammatic representation of the wide area network. Wide area network is connected to the separate metropolitan area networks. These metropolitan area networks are connected to local area networks. By this, the internet cycle is formed. Okay, this is the diagram for the WAN. Okay, the range is more than 50 kilometers and it is very difficult to construct and difficult to repair and maintain. The data rate is slow and there are two types of the WANs, switch WAN and point to point one. Okay, the connection of the computers within a large geographical area such as like states and countries is known as the wide area network.